Welcome to Homes Decor Designs, your ultimate resource for transforming living spaces. Today, we delve into the enchanting world of homes exterior with a stunning paver sidewalk and tips to choose the perfect pavers, layout, and decor for your dream sidewalk. But, before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. The sidewalk, often overlooked, is a cornerstone of a home's exterior. It's the first impression for visitors and a daily pathway for residents. A well-designed paver sidewalk can dramatically enhance your property's aesthetic appeal and functionality. In this comprehensive guide from Homes Decor Designs, we delve into the world of paver sidewalk design, exploring its benefits, design elements, and practical tips to help you create a stunning outdoor space. Paver sidewalk design involves selecting and arranging pavers to create a functional and visually appealing walkway leading from the street to your home. It encompasses various elements, including paver type, color, pattern, size, and the overall layout. A thoughtfully designed paver sidewalk not only provides a practical pathway but also complements your home's architecture and landscaping. A paver sidewalk offers numerous advantages beyond its aesthetic appeal. Pavers are durable, resistant to cracking, and can withstand heavy foot traffic. They are permeable, allowing rainwater to seep into the ground, reducing runoff and erosion. Additionally, pavers provide versatility in design, allowing for customization to match your personal style and home's architecture. How to decorating a paver sidewalk to look good? Transforming your paver sidewalk into an inviting space goes beyond the pavers themselves. Incorporating complementary elements can elevate its visual impact. Consider adding lush greenery, such as planters or flower beds, to introduce color and life. Outdoor lighting can enhance the sidewalk's ambience, creating a warm and welcoming atmosphere during evening hours. Strategic placement of outdoor furniture, like benches or chairs, invites relaxation and enjoyment of the space. The layout of your paver sidewalk is crucial in determining its overall appearance and functionality. Several factors influence the best layout, including the size of your property, the desired width of the sidewalk, and the surrounding landscape. Popular layouts include straight paths, curved paths, and herringbone patterns. Consider the flow of traffic and the focal point of your home when choosing a layout. And here these the compilation of the top 10 paver sidewalk design ideas to inspire you for your sidewalk space. 1. Classic brick. A timeless choice, brick pavers offer a warm and traditional look that complements various architectural styles. 2. Natural stone. For a rustic or modern aesthetic, natural stone pavers provide a unique and earthy feel. 3. Geometric patterns. Create a visually striking sidewalk with geometric patterns formed by combining different paver shapes and colors. 4. Bordered beauty. Define your sidewalk with a decorative border using contrasting pavers or edging materials. 5. Inlay designs. Add a touch of elegance with intricate inlay designs featuring different paver colors or materials. 6. Permeable pavers. Contribute to environmental sustainability by choosing permeable pavers that allow rainwater to infiltrate the ground. 7. Mixed materials. Combine pavers with other materials, such as gravel or wood, for a textured and visually interesting design. 8. Step stones. Create a whimsical and natural look with stepping stones placed irregularly across a bed of gravel or mulch. 9. Curved pathways. Soften the appearance of your yard with a gently curving paver sidewalk that adds visual interest. 10. Custom designs. Unleash your creativity by designing a completely unique paver sidewalk that reflects your personal style. A well-designed paver sidewalk can significantly enhance your home's curb appeal and create a welcoming outdoor space. By carefully considering the factors discussed above, you can transform your sidewalk into a stunning focal point that complements your property's overall aesthetic. Ready to embark on your paver sidewalk project? Come visit Homes Decor Designs regularly for expert guidance and design assistance. Let us help you create the sidewalk of your dreams. Again, thank you for watching this video, hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Let me know what's your favorite design ideas in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel Homes Decor Designs. Hit and smash the bell button so you never missed our new informative and inspiring videos in the future. Thank you and see you on the next videos.